So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT and other crypto from Binance using your Mastercard. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, go to your wallets, and then I want you to go to your funding. So basically go to P2P, and then from there, let's say you want to buy with your Mastercard, Visa card, or Amex or Payoneer. So basically all you have to do is go to your payment method. So here you will have to search for Payoneer, for example, or you want to search your Visa card. So you want to use your Mastercard, for example, just search it up basically. So it depends on where you go. So let's just say bank transfer, since it's you're gonna use your Mastercard or Visa card. From there, you will have to select the specific bank that you have, and then you will have to buy. So basically, you just have to press buy right here, enter the amount, select payment method. So it's bank transfer, and then there you go. So you just go on with your bank details and many much more, and then just transact with the seller right here, and then you'll have your crypto in no time deposited to your account. So there you go guys, that is how you buy crypto from Binance using your Mastercard and many much more. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.